This is incense. BTC finally has crashed as we expected it will. This morning, 1st of June, BTC has crashed from $74,000 to $70,000 as we expect this gonna happen many months ago. If you could just check out right here, I mentioned that many months ago, many weeks ago, I said BTC will drop to 70k, and once I said BTC will drop to 75k, and here we are. Step by step, we are having seen each of the prices which I mentioned many weeks ago and months ago. Hey everyone, it's Arash and welcome back to my crypto analytics channel. Here we are with another key updates for the crypto market. Today we are going to check out the latest changes for the crypto market. Let's figure it out. What is going to happen next? As we mentioned these things on our full videos, weekly analysis videos. So the guys which had seen those videos already knows what is next step. But I'm here with the latest changes. It's going to happen at least this recently, right? So this final flag in H4, which is shift on H2 actually. This final flag which happened, it is an internal final flag which happened in H2. Then the price was going to make a double peak right here and right here as I paid them. Then start making a second leg from this leg to this leg. Okay. And also, we are very curious about to know what is going to happen right now for the BTC. So, does it going to crash more or does it going to take a reversal from here to upward? Right now, we are going to check out. Just be with me for 5 minutes. If we go and check out the BTC CME gap, and I have shade here, obviously, many weeks ago. And can you see such a beautiful rejection from this place which I have made this triangle before. So how much is going to drop more? If I shift on a H4 chart here from $69,000 to $70,000 and a half, so something in this between, we have got a CME gap. The CME gaps, well, usually they have to be filled. Once they filled, so there's a possibility that the price can make a reverse and go back to the upward if it's bearish. The context is if it's bearish, and if the context is bullish, so the price will fill the CME gap in a bullish trend, then will fall down. So in this case, our context is obviously bullish. So in this case, the CME gap, which is happened in here between $69,000 to $70,000, this is in a bullish trend. So if it's in a bullish trend, so the price will fall down and fill this up. So once it's been filled, then there is a possibilities the price will push to the upward and turn it to the bull market too. But this is not the only thing we have to pay attention about it. There's many other things. We need to compare the market with those things, then get the result. Otherwise, with just only CME gap, you cannot make an obvious and a valid result. So the thing is that we have got the on-chain indexes, which we do analyze them every single week, and I upload them on YouTube. So right now, the on-chain indexes, they are showing me so much weaknesses from the long-term investors and the short-term investors. So in this case, like accumulation trend score, which shows the huge investors like sharks, like those people which has got more than $10,000 funds, more than 10,000 BTCs in their accounts. Each of those addresses right now, they are massively selling. Even the BlackRock, like institutional banks, even like if I'm not wrong about this guy, Michael Silver. So these people, they are the market makers. Right now, they are selling. Even the ETFs outflows are getting to be very massive. since those things on-chainly, so if it's negative, then we cannot just lay on the CME gap and we'll say, so if it's been filled, then market can turn to the bull market. No, this is totally wrong. I'm saying in these points, it has got a potential to turn or to make a correction at least. But if we are going to say the trend will change, this is absolutely wrong. So right now, the on-chain indexes is too much weak. It shows so much weaknesses, skeptical, and we cannot lay on these things at least right now. We have to be patient and watch out the market, the on-chain indexes step by step, what is going on. And in the next couple of weeks, if I've seen any strong things, any strong signals from the on-chain indexes that will lead the market to become a bull market, then definitely I'm going to keep you guys updated. But right now, in an obvious case, which is we can expect it's going to happen, is this. So the price will drop between $69,000 to $70,000, which 70 being hit right now already. So in this case, at the same time, I'll go back, I'll shift on a daily chart. In this case, we have got this final flag, huge final flag, and I said before about these two. In this case, I said price will hit this trend line, final flags trend line. Then this could be a strong level of resistance that will let the price to shift it upward at least to 90 or 95k. But it takes the time. It takes the time to show us more obvious signals. But right now, this is the thing which is going to happen. And as we said many weeks ago, so we expect that the BTC is going to drop, and it has dropped already. Those are the things which we can expect for the next step. But I just want you guys to keep in mind the market is in a very bad condition right now, very dangerous condition right now. Anything can happen, and I'm going to make another video for maybe Wednesday or Thursday, probably some of those days, to talk about this final flag which happens in a daily chart for the BTC. And this is also, it's happened in the Ethereum chart too, because the last time this final flag it happened, which was this one, we had seen at least over 35% drop in BTC. A 35% drop in the BTC, it's a huge amount of money, over billions and billions. So I'm trying to make that video for you guys, to keep you guys updated, to be aware of this next crash, which might happen, not definitely, which might happen. We are not going to see this huge crash on this chart as well with no awareness. So definitely I'm going to keep you guys updated. In this case, I'm not going to talk more about it. These are the things, very simple, very step by step. I wanted to share with you guys, and then I hope this video could be helpful for you. Please, if you didn't subscribe the channel, so subscribe the channel, and if you like the content, thumbs up the video. Cheers, and see you soon.